2020 Nissan Altima. You can see there's some damage there. And let's go take a look at it underneath. Condenser pushed into the radiator. All this is broke. All of that is broke. Radiator bracket broke. All of that broke. This is a broke. So she needs a radiator, condenser, tune-up, fuel system service, all that good stuff. So, bring this back down. Would you look at the top of it? This is the 2.5 liter. See where it's all dented. So radiator, condenser, a couple other things that she needs. She's gonna file it through her insurance. She said she ate a possum. Think she ate a possum, AJ? She said she ate a possum. Say hey, AJ.
What's up? Awesome.
Yeah, got that too. Anyway, she hit something, obviously. Hard enough to bend everything. But
maybe a dog, but not a possum.
I'm gonna recommend the radiator support, the radiator, the condenser, all that good stuff. So stay tuned for the next one.